Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add special dates to the paired application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this Us button down below, which is the last option. Then click on Add Special Date in the Your Special Date section, and here you should start by setting your anniversary. So tap on your anniversary, then click on Continue. Then you should type in your or select the date, then click on Confirm, tap on Continue, and you can track your relationship progress. Here it is, added. So if you want to edit it, tap on the three dots button next to it and click on Edit Special Date, or you can also delete it. If you want to add another one, you can also add birthdays, other special dates, and so on. So that's how you can keep track of your important dates at this section of the app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.